Hello, my name is Andrea. I'm part of the customer success team here at Tax 1099 and ZenWork. Today, we will do a quick video on how to manually fill out a 1095-C form. From the dashboard, you will click on Forms, choose the year that you would like to file. For this video, we're doing 2024. Now scroll down until you find the 1095-C. So once the form pull up, you would choose your payer. To the right is the recipient or the employee. Now you will move down, and part two is the offer of coverage. So we're going to say that this person was offered minimum coverage for all 12 months. They're paying $50 a month. In part three, this is only for spouse independence. You will put the information here. First, you would have to check the box, and then you will be allowed to add information for a spouse. You can click add row for each dependent that you have. Um, So for this demonstration, we're just going to leave the box unchecked and we will click Save and Continue. So now with the 1095-C, you do have to fill out the 1094-C. It will show incomplete here until you click on it and fill it out. So the top part of it, there's nothing that you can do. It's highlighted. You will need to add your name, and fill out the rest of the form. You would have to check this box in order for the rest of it to fall down as far as full-time versus part-time employees. And once you save it, let me uncheck the box since I have all fake information and I shouldn't have to fill out the bottom part. So let's try to save again. And now it's showing complete. So before you click it, it's incomplete. Now it's complete. And with that, you can go ahead and check the box and submit for this payer. That's the end of the 1095-C video. Thank you. Have a great day.